All right, finally back on my estate sale grind. It's a lot of cars here. I'm parked all the way down here, about 15 houses up. So, of course, you know, in the winter, let me show you my face. Of course, you know, in the winter, when there's no yard sales, everybody's at the estate sale. Everybody. So everybody from the town's here. So I'm sure I'm like 10 minutes late, and I'm sure everything's gonna be picked over. But we're gonna go anyway because I need that dopamine of estate sale-ish, yard sale-ish feel. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't been in a while. I ain't posted a video in a while. So let's go in here and see what we can see what we can get, if we can get anything, and capitalize. All right.
But I'm like, how much? When I can really see if it's left. I love it. How much was the change? Okay, I can't remember. You see how much trouble.
800 square foot house with 900 people.
Oh no, yeah, that's brutal.
Lord, I've never seen that many figurines.
Yeah, I know it's so many. Ain't it?
Oh my Lord.
Those old box lots right there.
Hey, I watch you on YouTube.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing that. What's your name?
Lyndon.
Lyndon, how you doing?
Nice to see
I haven't
you.
posted or I haven't been no yard sales or anything lately.
No,
So
I've not been either.
yeah.
I only came for one thing and it's gone.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I got some exercise.
That's what happens in the winter, man. Everybody's at the same exact
That's
one.
right. You take care.
You too. Take it easy.
Man.
I appreciate it. You watching? So many box lots. So many figurines.
You better believe Tesla picker.
Hey, what's going on, man? You doing all right? What's your name?
Good, Wes.
Wes, all right.
I ain't seen you in
We
a
caught the-
while. Take a break.
You know how it is in the winter, man. No yard sales, no,
Ain't
you know.
nothing.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's
I think
pristine
it's
too.
sealed.
I gotta be sealed. I got one, but it ain't sealed. I got the boxes raggedy. Oh man, that's nice, man. Ah, it's a gem right there.
I don't know what it's worth.
That's the thing, though. Do you want to open it to see if it's sealed? You know,
Or
to
do
see
you
if it's
take
new.
it? Or do you take a chance?
But yeah, you can barely open it and look at it. It's still considered that. That's nice, man. That's nice. You gotta hear. You got him when the doors open to get that, didn't you?
15.
Really?
It's down in the basement on top of a cabinet.
Oh, wow.
It ain't even
Thank
got a price on it. I'm scared to death to ask.
Oh yeah. Find somebody look like they don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, $5. You take it easy, man.
See you, buddy.
All right, you too.
That's right. That's right.
He was down the basement last time I seen him.
Excuse me. Yeah.
Oh my.
This is crazy.
You need some boxes of things.
Oh no, I wouldn't dig through them stuff. There might be some good ones in there. I don't want to do no homework.
I could squeeze behind
Oh,
you. I can't get anywhere, and I'm starting to feel a little bit
claustrophobic? No problem.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No problem at all.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, bud.
Yeah, it's very claustrophobic in here.
That's better. I can breathe a little
They have, man. It's a fire hazard now. All right, so I'm at the car. I bought these 2 fans, man. I gotta look them up. I don't even know if they work. $15 a piece. We'll look at it when we get home. There's so many people in here. But it's good to get out because I'm seeing people that I ain't seen in a while because I ain't been out in a while. I don't even know if these work. It was so crowded in there, I said, I'm gonna take a chance on them. Go back in, but I'm gonna move my car a little closer. It's so much stuff in there that, you know, it's kind of hard to sit down and look up stuff and all that stuff. Just too much going on. Too many people, it's claustrophobic, fire hazard. They got figurines for days, and sometimes I like to sit down and look at figurines, but today ain't the day. You know, they got boxes of figurines, maybe got 20 of them for $4 and $5. But do I want to deal with all that? Do I want to get figurines that and end up being duds? I don't know. We'll see.
I gotta let some people out of here and I can finally come down below.
$250. Great. 3 and 4.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
We had the writing on.
All right, you be careful, man.
Thank you, sir.
All right, I went back in there and got a couple more things, man. My old self, when I first started reselling self, would have went crazy and got a lot of those figurines, and you know, they was like $4 and $5 a box. There was so many figurines in there, it was crazy. You know, but they was all, you know, made in China. Things like that now, and I like to do research on because I want to make sure I get the best ones, and I'm not just trying to have a bunch of stuff just because I still got stuff from back when I first started reselling, just because I used to just pick up anything that I saw. And I don't do that no more, man. I'm just trying to get, you know, things to sell, and things to sell for pretty good price, right? Because I don't do this full time, so I'm not looking to sell. I'm looking to sell things that's worth money. I'd rather get something that's $15 and sell it for, I don't know, $100 and something dollars, rather than get something for $2 and sell it for $10 or something like that. I mean, you know, I don't mind getting 2 things at a yard sale, right? If I can get a pretty good deal on it. And these fans back here that I got, I think I'm gonna do pretty good. We're gonna look and do a little bit more research when we get home. I kind of went on a whim. I didn't test them. I didn't do anything. I spent $30 for 2 fans. One of them, I know it's older. I know, you know, it can bring some value, but I don't know if it works. So YouTube, thanks for tuning back to the channel. I don't think I said that earlier. What am I doing? I don't think I said it earlier. I'm at home. It's actually the next day. I'm about to go to work, so I want to talk about these things that I got real quick. I haven't made a video in a while, and that's because your boy ain't been going to yard sales. I don't like to just put out fluff. You know what I'm saying? This channel is a go to yard sale, go to estate sales, go to thrift store type channel. So I ain't been doing nothing. So I ain't been going. Now I've been listing and doing all that because I got a bunch of stuff to list. But it's winter here in Kentucky. There's nowhere to go. And that's why you get what you get today. When there's an estate sale pop up out the blue, boom. Everybody from Louisville was there. It was so crowded in there. I almost left, but I didn't. And I got just 4 things. But that's what I'm doing right now. I like to get things that's going to sell very good, very high. Well, not very high, but at least make good money on what I spend instead of just getting a bunch of things. There's a bunch of figures in there. My old self would have got all of them. I think I said it earlier, so I'm not about to go over that again. Let's just go over what I got so I can leave and not be late for work. I got a couple of these, what are these called? Shaker things. This is a Navy one, Precious Moment. I paid $4, as you can see. I believe this is about like a $30, $40 deal. Maybe $30, I don't know. I put what I can't talk today. I'll look it up and I'll let y'all know and put that on the screen. Precious Moments, it's pretty nice. It's an activity set. This is another one. This is a, I don't know, design collectible. I looked this up and it was about a $25 piece, so I decided to get it. It was only $3, so I paid $7 for that. I bought 2 fans. I bought this one. This one's, I just went on the guy there. I paid too much for it. $15 fan, but we needed a fan at the house, so I bought this for the house. So ixnay this. Now I bought this 20-inch Breeze box. It's an old metal fan. I paid $15 for it. I got it sitting over here because I wanted to see if it worked. Let's try it. Oh yeah, that's how fans used to sound back in the day. Anyway, it's an Eskimo, a 2-speed. Let me unplug it so y'all can see it. Pretty nice fan, man. It's metal and it's heavy as heck, man. And I had to carry this thing about 3 football fields, both fans in both hands. My shoulders was killing me. But anyway, it's a $15 piece, and I'm gonna look it up and see and put that on the screen. But I seen one I think listed for $300. I don't know if I can get that. I got the box. It looks brand new. I'm gonna put a couple on the screen. I didn't see many, but if I see some, I'll put them on the screen because I'm gonna edit this later and I'm gonna be looking up comps on them. And if you see it on the screen, that's where it's at. That's what it's worth. So I think goodbye. In all, I spent $37. This fan should get that money back plus more. Those as well. And that's it. Like I said, I didn't want to get a bunch of fluff. I might go over it today because today is actually the next day. And go back there and see what I can see. Maybe spend a little bit more time on the figures and see what they got. But they had all kinds of stuff in there as far as figures. Just too many people. It was claustrophobic. If a fire broke out, everybody dead. Bruh. Super fire hazard. You understand what I'm saying? I'm glad to be back. I'm gonna start posting more videos. Even if I don't go to the estate sale, maybe a what's sold video, maybe what's listing video. So I can get back into the swing of things, all right? For the people who miss me, I'm sorry. I actually got a lot of people at the estate sale. Shout out to them. I hadn't seen in a while and was wondering like, bro, where the videos at? I don't know, but I'm not gone. I ain't retired. I'm still doing it. I ain't been making no videos, all right? So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Let me get to work. Peace.